Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom Nom. I'm in it if you are new here. Today is Manny Monday, and I felt like doing some more weird stuff. So I'm going to mix all of my nail polishes. I have no idea what's going to come of this. So I'm going to take all of my regular nail polishes, my metallics, my pearlescents, my straight up colors, the pastels, the straight up glitters, and we're gonna mix them all into one little empty bottle and see what happens. Okay, we are mixed and have our franken-polish. So the bottle, I think some of the first few colors kind of dried on their way down because no matter how much I try to mix it, it still looks marbly on the outer part of the bottle. So it's definitely purple. It's got some of the glitter coming through. So let's get this on some fingers and see how it looks. So this is coat number 1. It went on really smooth. We got some chunky glitters, lots of metallic. I feel like it's drying rather quickly. Coat number 1 on all the fingers. I'm kind of liking that each finger kind of has a bit of different glitter to it. Let's do round 2. I love that there's just like rando chunks of dark blue glitter strewn throughout this from that one NYC color. I love this color. It's kind of like a mauvey lilac. It's super metallic, a little pearlescent. I definitely don't have another color like this, which is fantastic. And I guess sort of the goal of kind of mixing everything together, trying to get something much more unique. So cool. Right, well, here is my lackluster ending to this video. If you like this video, give it a shiny thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hang out till the end screen. Woo!